Hey there. Hey there. We're gonna replace the hydraulic lift support on this 2005 Sienna. So I'm gonna take this here stick and kind of put it somewhere where it kind of helps me to hold up the van hatchback. I got some Costco chicken there. And I'm gonna take a flathead screwdriver and open up this little spring thingy back here. So loosen that up, and there's one down here as well. I should be able to pop these off. I don't know if this stick is going to help me much. I'm holding it up. Yeah, I think I might have been wrong about needing to open up that spring thing, so I'm just going to try pushing them right in here. Yeah, so I was able to just kind of pop these in, just put it on there and kind of give it like a light whack, and it goes in. Also, the head of this, whatever you call it, the part that goes into the little ball joint there was facing the wrong way, so I had to take this arm and just rotate it 180 degrees. So that's what I did to get the ball joint facing, or to get this socket facing the right direction. And then it just, pops right in there. So there you go. There you go. There we go. Boom.